What's good? It's your boy Lewis over here at Martial Artistry. Man, I just ran a test with a new product that I am just blown out of the water. It is going to save me so much time, and I'm getting ready to run a test that I wouldn't normally run, but this product is just off the hook. So I specifically clear coat my products. I am out here, as you can see, clear coating. This new product literally cured in 3 minutes from spray all the way through to the curing process. And I'm going to show you guys a test right quick. This is my little test panel. I just did a quick test. As you can see, like, look, it's dry. I just did this panel. So it says that this is high impact. So I wanted to test that theory. Obviously, it's not sanded, it's not buffed. I just cleared this 10 minutes ago and cured it. So it says high impact. So I took a Phillips head screwdriver and I'm gonna just run a quick test because it says high impact. So you can see this is me. I'm live. Look, I'm moving around. This is my quick test. Like, so yes, it does have like some chips. One chip after all of that. Some of this was already like that. Look, we're gonna take another little spot. Look, I would never do this. Look, I know you can hear this. Look. Like, look, there's like, all right, let's find you a good, like, soft, nice spot. So right there where the light's at, we're gonna aim for right there. So, like, obviously, yes, like I said, there's, look at that, that's crazy. I don't even know what to say. Yo, I'm blown away. This is like 10 minutes ago. I didn't even let this like cure for more than 3 minutes. I gave the first coat 4 minutes. I did it the same test, but I had to do it like, yo, this product's crazy. This is gonna be a game changer, man. Stay tuned for more. I'll be back. All right, hey, what's up, guys? I'm back. All right, so I just sprayed another coat. This is wide open. I literally just sprayed it. It's like wet, like wet. So I am turning on my UV light. I've got it a little ways. Man, it's probably 2 feet above this panel. We're gonna sit here while this cures. I'm gonna turn the other light off so that it can just fully cure. So again, this is a UV light. I'm about 2 feet off the panel. It is like wide open, wet. You can see, like, you can still see the artwork in there. I did just sand it down and just literally laid one more coat. It's still got the couple of nick marks in there. You can see 1, 2, 3. Aside from that, there are no other marks. Obviously, I got some orange peel and some dry spray, but for the most part, this is a fairly clean panel. Normally, I would just sand this down one more time with probably some 2000 grit, and just wear those little boogies down. So like I said, we're about a minute and a half into this process. Like I said, I'm gonna let this go for about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. And sorry for the darkness. I apologize. Look, this is what we're working on. We're trying to cure this panel live with you guys here right now. Trying not to get in the light. So I'm also gonna take this off of these 2 little hooks. I'm gonna drop it down to a little closer. Just see if I can just speed this process along. We're at about 2 minutes. Like I said, this is a game changer. So we're at like 2.5 minutes. I just dropped this light down a little bit closer. Trying to use the reflection off of the back wall. Sorry, shoddy camera work. My apologies. So right now I'm about a foot off of this panel. This is a 100-watt UV light. I'm using the Clean Armor. I did not reduce this at all. I sprayed it literally straight out of the bottle as we're coming up right on 3 minutes. Still looking good. Starting to level out a little more. I mean, this is just absolutely insane to me. 3 minutes is just, that's crazy. Unheard of. Unheard of. So we are pulling up right around 3 minutes and 40 seconds on my video. I am going to let this just go right straight to 4 minutes, and then I'm going to cut the light back on, and we're going to show you, look, it's just cured, it's dried. We're at 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and cut these lights back on. Give me just a sec, forgive me. Like I said, I'm amazed. I'm very impressed with this product. What I'll say about it is it does allow me more time to do other things. The fact that I don't have to sit and wait for 10, 12 hours, 2 days for this whole thing to cure and be done just allows me to, like right now, I can start on another project right now while this is like ready to be sanded and go to the next coat. So hey, I just want to show you that 43 on the video. Look, it's dry. Look, no fingerprints, no smudges. I'm pressing hard on there too. So let me pull this down here right quick. Again, I would not normally do this, so we're gonna shoot for like right here, just so you can hear it. This is a screwdriver. This is fresh on a like panel that I just cleared and cured. Like, as you can see, look, there's no nicks. Look. Like, look, there's nothing. No marks. So again, like I said, just total game changer. Like, the applications for this are limitless. I am using tonight an Iwata HP. Oh, I'm using my Eclipse. I'm using my Iwata Eclipse. I'm using an Iwata Eclipse with a 0.5 converted needle kit. I did not reduce this at all. I did not. I sprayed the first coat, let it dry, cured it, 3 minutes. Second coat, cured it, 3 minutes. Then just sanded really just a quick just to scuff it up, and then sprayed it again. And you literally just watched me cure it in 3 minutes, and it's done. And I took a screwdriver and just went over a panel that I just cured. It's just crazy. The fact that I'm speechless. Like, I've never seen anything like this, like, at all. I hit it with a screwdriver. It's crazy. So sorry, I'm out in my shop. You see all my storage stuff. So like I said, stay tuned. We're going to be doing another little test panel tomorrow. Definitely stay tuned for the live shopping event. We're going to be live on Instagram and YouTube tomorrow, which is Friday, January 27th. We're going to be live at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you haven't already, go ahead and get signed up for the bottle giveaway. If you did, thank you. We appreciate you so much. We will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Like I said, I'm going to leave some links for this in the description below. But man, Clean Armor, I am using, like I said, it's unreduced. I sprayed it straight out of the bottle. I cured this in approximately 4 minutes. We'll give it an extra minute and call it 4 minutes, but like, this is a game changer. So I'll look forward to talking with everyone soon. Leave some comments in the comments below. Definitely hit like, share this video, and I will catch up with you guys soon. Aloha.